Hi, my name is Angelica Ronquillo. I'm from PSHM2B. My topic today is about for light pollution. What is light pollution? Light pollution is executive, metric, or obstreperous articles, usually outdoor night too. Much light pollution has consequence. It washes out starting in the night sky. Interface with astronomical research disrupt ecosystem, has adverse health effect and wasted energy. Introduction. A little more than 100 years ago, you would walk outside at night even if a city and see the Milky Way galaxy arc across the night sky. Being able to see thousands of stars was a part of everyday life. Inspiring artists like Van Gogh or musical composers like Hossein or writer like Shakespeare. By allowing articular light to wash out our starry night skies, we are long touched with our culture heritage, with has made us who we are. We are also losing touch with what would inspire future generations. With more than half of the world population now living in cities, 3 out of every 4 people in cities has never experienced that wonderment of courteously in dark skies. How you explain the importance of what they lost of the light pollution? How can you make them aware the light pollution is concept on my form, safety, energy, conservation, cost, health, and effect on wildlife as well as our ability to view the stars? Finally, how do you convince them that it's worthwhile to take even small steps to help fix this problem? Effect of light pollution. Disrupting ecosystem, light pollution poses a serious threat, and in particular to nocturnal wildlife, having negative impact on the plant and animal physiology. It can confuse the migratory pattern of the animals, alter protective interactions of animals, change predator relations, and cause physiological harm. The crimes of life is orchestrated by the nature and dumbbell pattern of the light and dark, so disruption to this pattern impact the ecological dynamics. With respect to adverse health effect, many species, especially human, are dependent on natural body cycles called circadian and the production of the melatonin, which are regulated by light and dark. Day and nights, if humans are exposed to light while sleeping, melatonin production can be suppressed. This can lead to sleep disorders and other health problems as increases head change, worker fatigue, medically defined stress, some form of obesity due to the lack of the sleep, and increases in and ties are being found to a couple of types of cancers. There are also effects of glare or eyeing eyes. See text below. Health effects are not only due to the over-illuminations of excessive exposure of light over time, but also exploring spectral compositions of light. With respect to the energy wastage, lighting is thus responsible for the less one-fourth of all electricity consumption worldwide. Over-illumination can continuous energy wasted, especially upward declaring light at the night. Energy wasted is also a waste of is in cost of carbon footprint. The good news is the light pollution can be reduced fairly easily by shielding light properly, by only using light when and where it instead by only using the amount that is needed, by using energy efficient bulbs, and by using bulbs with appropriate scattering power distribution for the task at hand. Explore the effect of light pollution of the night by sky, light pollution, interactive. Going further, their main types of light pollutions. Currently speaking, their main types of light pollution included glare light, eruptions, and sky glow, in addition to over-illuminations and glare, clear from the unshielded lighting. In the public health, blinding hazard, especially the older or become grades. Light skirting in the eyes causes loss of the contract, sometimes builds or temporarily and leads to unsafe driving conditions. For instance, light times pass occurs when unwanted light enters once properly, for example, by shining unwanted light to a bedroom window of the person typing to sleep. Sky glow refers to the low effect that can see over population areas. Effect that can be seen over the population area. Sky glow in the combinations of the reflected light, the outward light, directly hand-wanding, light escaping into the sky and to the most part unsensed. Shading light significantly reduce odor of this type of light pollution. By participating in the citizen science campaign, look at the nights and taking as many measurements as you can from different locations, you will be promotion and awareness and helping to monitor light pollution levels locally and worldwide. The tables is used to compare trend over years and with other data sets like an animals to see what offers light pollution has won them. Thank you for your interaction and particular in the Globe Night.